This is code.org. Let's see what we're working on. Use the block in the toolbox to build your program. Get the bird to the pig. Got it. Bird, pig, pig, bird. Got it. All right, so let's move forward a couple. I'm not really sure how much. I'm going to hit run. The nice thing about code is you can run stuff as many times as you would like, and you can be wrong a lot. It's totally okay. So it looks like we can also use step. Right, so step once. Now I'm on this block. Step twice. Okay, so it looks like we need to move forward one more and then turn to the right. And remember, code's always going to run in order. So I should get, and always run your code a bunch. You want to debug, you want to test. It's easier to find errors in code while you are working on it, as opposed to when you have many lines of code there to look at. All right, and I think one more, and we got it. Boom. Awesome. Great, let's keep going.